I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one. Yes, we got this base to put in. It's quite a big one. We got the type 1 in, all whacked down. It goes 4.5 meters that way. Then we got 6.5 meters down that side, and obviously 6.5 meters down that side as well. So yeah, quite a big one, and I'm using them edgings there. To form the base. Then we've also got rebar going in here and about 4 inches of concrete. So yeah, nice little project. Hopefully the weather stays okay. Let's get it. Yeah, it's all going okay. Got my corner all nice and square. That's pretty damn good. So the secret in the bed, you got your height sort of more or less there. Bring your bed through a little bit like that. It's all pretty much done by eye, but if you've got to add a little bit more, you just add a little bit more. That's it, easy as that, get down to the line. I'll just have a little check on the plumb, see if it's alright. I mean, that's pretty good, that. All good. Harness the back up a little bit so it don't move. Same on the front. That'll do just for now, but I will probably top that up later. Get your edgings nicely backed up. That's it, just a quick demonstration how to lay these edgings. So your bed needs to be a little bit slightly higher, so then you're just tapping down. Normally leave a slight little gap there, just for when you're knocking down. You don't smash the end out. Sometimes as well with these edgings, they sort of bore a little bit in the middle, but as long as you get the two ends touching the line, that's good enough. It's not bad at all. Yeah, back those up. I'll carry on down there. Happy days. Yeah, looking good. last 7 edgings to go in. Just get your bed somewhere near. The edgings are 6 inches, and I normally do the bed about 5.5, just so I can tap down a little bit. Yeah. I'll probably do it about there, mate. I've got to leave that last couple off. I've got a pipe going in there. We're all good for now. I'll have a couple of them, mate. Lovely. Just a couple of shovels in front of here, just to back this up a little bit first, son. Cheers, bud. Yeah. Couple more. Perfect. I wonder why my knees were hurting. Cheers, Paul. Couple of shovels on the back, mate, just to back her up. In the front there, bit. Lovely. Once I get these in, the whole slab will be set out now for the concrete, and really buy a little bit of rebar in there. So happy days. Just grab my little 2-foot level there, please, mate. Just double check on the plumb side of things. It's not looking too bad though, I don't think. Yeah, it's pretty good. Lovely. Perfect. There you go. We're getting there. Yeah, so got all my edgings in. All nice and square. It's a nice size slab, really, yeah. So we got mesh going inside here, and about 4 inches of concrete, finished concrete there. I've left this one up at the end here. The guy wants to put a toilet in here and a hand basin, so that's just off there for a pipe to go through. The pipe will come out there up on a 90, will swing round, it'll dive down here, dig a little trench out, and then maybe put a small soak away somewhere in this area. Another job to do. But yeah, so this is part one of probably 2 or 3 parts, I think. That's the first stage done though. Get them edgings in. Just got them in time as well. Rain's just starting to pour down a little bit, so happy days. I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit them notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.